This video is provided to give a quick overview of the FLO2D WebViewer. You'll notice a map application is launched with a legend or table of contents on the left-hand side. On the FLO2D tab, you'll notice a pull-down menu for the various FLO2D model runs, for example, with and without levees. There's a transparency slider below this for the various FLO2D layers. The FLO2D layers are organized by project grid, other components, input data, and output data. Some models may not contain some of these groupings. What's available in the legend depends upon what elements were modeled within the FLO2D study. So if you wanted to turn on the maximum flow depth, go to the output data grouping, expand the depth-related group, and turn on the maximum depth layer. 1D hydraulic input can be toggled on within the input data layer group. Blockages include width reduction factors and levees. The Base Layers tab includes roads, aerial photography, and other base mapping layers, like the floodplain zones, for reference. The search tools can be used to search for specific locations, such as property addresses and by grid element ID. There are navigation tools that are pretty straightforward, and you'll notice there are tool tips as you hover over each button. There are specific tools to query FLO2D data. We'll show two examples of these. The first is the Grid Information Query button. This button will provide basic FLO2D grid input data and hydraulic output data. The second button is a user-drawn query line to sample an approximate hydrograph anywhere within the model area. Note that the hydrograph is generated in a pop-up window, so pop-up blockers in some internet browsers will need to be disabled. The hydrograph can be exported as a graphic, or you can export the tabular data to a CSV file. We hope you enjoy the new FLO2D WebViewer. Thank you.